What's going on? So today we got a video from POV Patrol, and the title of the video is Entitled Man Turns Simple Trespass into a Fight with a Cop. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
So I'm going to tell you one more time.
And I'm going to tell you whatever you have to say. I'm a patient.
On May 20th, 2023, while on routine patrol, a uniformed officer entered a 7-Eleven and encountered a man arguing loudly with the store manager over money. The manager asked for the man to be removed from the property. Despite multiple warnings, the man continued yelling and took a fighting stance toward the officer.
I'll leave. Just give me my money back. I'm going to give me my blunt like I want. You got to do one or the other. Let's do one or the other. I got witnesses that you are acting like you are harassing me. Under the skies of these goddamn crackers.
Come here. Sit outside. We'll figure out what you need to do outside.
Then I want my blunt.
What's that?
My cigar.
What cigar?
I want a cigar. I don't care what kind
Well,
of
they're refusing your service now, so you gotta leave.
Well, then they're gonna give me my money back.
No, they
You're
don't.
not gonna charge me and then tell me I can't get nothing. You're gonna take my money, lock my money in, and then tell me I can't get what I want?
How much money did they take?
$10. I had a $20 bill. This is a change. The other pack of cigarettes I'm about to get. I don't know if it's in here somewhere. I fell. But she's been harassing me all day, bro. I'm in the hospital, bro.
Okay.
I came out for a 10-minute break.
Why are you hollering?
Because she's pissing me off.
Okay, I'm not pissing.
I'm
not
sorry,
hurt.
bro. I am a patient. I take medication.
Otherwise,
What do you want me to do, sir?
I'm okay, though.
All I want is a cigar, and I'm going.
Okay. I just told you they're not giving you back.
I want my money back. You're not going to lock my money in.
Okay, so if you've already paid for what you got and you didn't like it, then...
I ain't saying I don't like it. I would love to keep my cigarette. I argue with the hospital to come out to smoke. But she's being very disrespectful and rude. Have anyone done that to you before? Maybe you don't know what that is.
Beside the point.
Let me show you what rude and disrespectful means.
Do you have a receipt?
She just told you that she gave me the
She said you purchased those and then you came back.
I want to buy me a cigar. I forgot to get my cigar. Well, they're going to give me my money. You're going to tell me I can spend that and then refuse me to get the rest of my items.
So you're starting to piss me off, okay?
And you're starting to piss me off.
So I'm going to tell you one more time.
And I'm going to tell you whatever you have to say. I'm a patient.
Get it right. Get it right.
I have stitches, sir. You are hurting me. I can't go behind my back. I have stitches.
Put your hands behind your back.
For Trespass 2605 West William.
I got you. What's up, guys?
Came to him in a fighting
God
stance.
brought me out here for a good reason.
Step to him like that. Yeah, can't pull the race card now. That's a black cop.
You know,
what?
bitch, your job is gone.
Yeah. Can't pull the race card now. Act right. Get it together. Tighten up. Tighten up. Get it together. Act like you got some manners around here. You hear me? We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
You know, we kicked them crackers' ass already, so I don't know why you doing all this.
So you had to make something so simple.
They're going to put
You
you
had
on
to
the
put
gun.
something so
You're going on
simple.
your gun. I'm going to hear.
Spread your legs.
You're going on the gun.
Spread your legs.
They're going to put your stupid ass on the gun.
They will follow up with once
making through with their previous details. Just facing over. Maybe it's a good reason to get you. Maybe God wants you out the way for whatever reason. So you going. You better kill me now, bro. That's the only way you're gonna stop me from taking me now. You're gonna lose your job. You're gonna be in Facebook, all over the nation.
Yeah, you gonna be on
Facebook. Happy George Floyd thing. Well, you're gonna be famous. Probably won't be able to get a job nowhere, though. This guy like you. Sitting around in the house doing shit. Look at some gardening. Come on, man, can you hurry up, bro, so I can get in here and get to these crackers. Oh, there go my cigarette.
You have an ID on you?
I don't know. I can't fucking remember. You left all my shit in there. Now all my ID and everything's gone. I hope it's missing. Crackers, huh? You're gonna be a bang. You're gonna be a bang like them, huh? You wanna be a cracker? A cracker whip nigga. You is anyway. You love that shit. You got a job for that.
Charlie for 4.
This is why we kill people.
For more.
Like,
Can I Charlie 4051, please?
your own race. Sticky bastard. I mean, they checking down thinking that shit is cool. They give them a house, give them a car, give them a bag, give them a fucking sergeant stripe or whatever they give them. You know, a dog gotta get a biscuit, right? And now they wanna run around and think they're doing
Yeah. Fucking guy would not leave the store.
If you keep going and going and going.
Next time leave.
Oh, the dirty white boy. That ain't even big.
He just gets, we need to get a statement from the manager.
Alright.
Let me just move the car. Alright.
Hey! Hey, white boy! Where you going? Fuck, dick. I'm gonna pull all your skirts. You got the truth in here! I told you, dumbass! I'm not even gonna say it anymore. I'm gonna use my lawyer. You gotta make up your own story. I'm not gonna help this stupid ass. I'm gonna put all this shit on Facebook.
I'll be right back. Yeah. Can you try and get an ID from him? He doesn't have a, he wouldn't tell me his name or anything, but he's not talking to me. Actually, no, don't worry about it. We'll go to the jail.
So oh.
Where'd she go?
She's right here.
Hey, mama, can I get your ID real quick?
Oh, she's staring at him like she ready to rip his clothes off. Cause that's the same lady that was earlier. She was looking at him like starstruck. You hear me? Look, this lady right here. All right, where we at? 720. But look in the beginning though. Let me see if I can find it real quick. That lady came walking past like, ooh. I don't know. Can't see it. But.
Oh.
Ooh.
Where'd she go?
Ooh.
Right here.
Hi there. Oh, yeah. She ready to get
Hey,
cracked.
mama, can I get your ID real quick?
He was great for that. Ya, esto no llegó, Nate no puede, no dormía nada, o que no puede venir. Let me get a receipt.
And I agree. Negative.
Quick, just your name, what he came in for, why you told him the fact that you told him to leave, he didn't leave, just what he was saying, how he's acting, things like that. I'm just gonna have Sarge come make sure he doesn't want to go use the force because I had to take him down on the ground because he was like just No, I know it's not, but I just want to make sure because he's saying he has stitches and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and take him to jail. He's gonna pick up my car.
Control 4410-7.
Hey, man. 1430.
Yeah, I mean, he didn't really resist. He just got up in my face, and then I grabbed him and kind of resisted for like half a second. But I got him to the ground and put him in handcuffs. But he was saying he had stitches on him, and now he is kicking my door. Yeah, he said he got out of the hospital, and I just want to make sure he wasn't claiming that I injured him. But it's all on camera. No, he's not saying he's injured, but I wanted to make sure you wanted. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Go down there. Appreciate it.
But you want me to be a hoe? Like the rest of these niggas out here? So your boss can kick me around? Or you want me to be a man and stand up if I feel like I'm right? What do you want me to be, bro?
Headquarters, Charlie 446. Headquarters.
I can tell you.
Go ahead.
I copy, man. Thank you.
I know you see this goddamn gray hair in my beard. I know you hear my goddamn voice. You're being arrogant.
He's facing 2 charges: trespassing after refusing to leave the store when ordered by both the manager and a uniformed officer, and resisting an officer without violence for trying to break free while the officer attempted to detain him.
Okay. Yeah. What you guys heard at the end is called CYA. When he was talking to the supervisor on the phone, what you heard is CYA, which stands for cover your ass. Okay. That's what that phone call was. Making sure, you know, X, Y, and Z, you know, making sure everything is everything. You feel me? But that was that CYA call. And cover your ass, boy, because if he come back and say some funny shit, you know, whatever. But anyway, I get that cop a 3. He did all right. You know, did he jump the gun a little bit? I think so. But the guy was also getting in his face. So it is what it is, especially when you take a fighting stance towards X, Y, and Z. I don't blame the cop, not one bit. Let's go. So, yeah.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.